Hey, it's Sarah and James at our beautiful new listing in South Palm Springs.
Welcome to 1095 South Laverne Way in the lovely community of Canyon South 1. Let's go check it out together.
Let's do it.
Welcome in. We have a beautiful condo here for you, all white, light, and bright tones. Check out immediately upon entry this gorgeous kitchen, all freshly remodeled, backsplash cabinets, absolutely gorgeous. We also have a walk-in pantry here for convenience. And over here, you have currently a den that could be converted into a third bedroom if you like. Comes equipped with a closet space. Over here, you have your billiards area, pool table. And we even have a dry bar here, equipped with wine fridge. Here we have our living room area with a glass fireplace. This has been recently painted throughout the entire interior. And before we see the rest of the house, we want to come outside and see our gorgeous patio. One of the things that makes this condo so special is that you have this exceptional west-facing mountain view of San Jacinto Mountains and just steps away from the pool area. This community also comes with an abundance of fruit trees. On your patio, you have grapefruit and orange, but the rest of the community comes with much more. Let's go check out the bathrooms and the rest of the bedrooms. Over here you have your first guest with front patio access. Everything's been renovated here, including the showers, toilets, counters. This leads you into your oversized primary bath. Check out that gorgeous rainfall shower with beautiful tones. And then we have our primary bedroom that has a slider access to the back patio. And follow me so we can see the laundry room and the garage. This will lead you into your separate laundry room and one-car garage.
As always, thank you so much for joining us today.
And if you have any questions at all, give us a call.
See you next time.
Bye.